this on YouTube. See, my sound's okay. Oh, it's not ready on YouTube yet. Hello. Okay, we did this. Oh, there's so much shit to go into later. Oh, that's what we're doing. PS2 Graphics. Check my sound. Hello? PS2 Graphics. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys have seen this. Let me see if I can find the videos. But there's this trend on TikTok with the PS2 graphics kind of this one. Yeah. They take images and they turn them into PS2 graphics. This is just one image, but we can do it with as many as we want. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to do that locally right now. Oh, that one looks kind of bad. Ours will look better, don't worry. As a preview, I'll show you actually the ones that I've made already. So here, this was the input image of one of them, and this is what it turned into. Boom. So it's really good at like keeping the pose of the character and the face. But yeah, the background is obviously not kept similar because it's PS2, so you can't expect all that fine detail. I have some more somewhere. Oh, I didn't save a lot of them, unfortunately. I did send them though on my Discord. Oh shit, I should tell my Discord that we're live as well. One moment, please. Where are we? Discord. Join my Discord if you guys aren't in it. Links in bio. Live gang, let's go. Yeah, normally we get a message here. Are we not on Twitch? Is my Twitch broken? Hello? No, we're good. Okay. Is my Twitch broken? Twitch is good. Yo, fire emoji. Shouts out Tebow. Oh yeah, here are the other ones I made. So obviously my profile picture, I've changed it to this PS2 graphic. Yo, Mike Bird, what's up? We're doing a kind of comfyui / PS2 graphics image to image tutorial this stream. These are some of the other ones I've made. Yeah. Before I do that, I'm just gonna change up this lighting here. Yeah, hopefully. So like my face is a bit dark, isn't it? A bit yellow and ting. It's alright. Top Rag, good to see you back. It's going well. Okay, nice. But Carlbot has recognized that I'm live as well, so I'm gonna close this. So pretty much like before. Yo, Zeppon, thanks for the following on Kick. Nice. Will you follow me back? It depends. Do you post content that I'm interested in? I don't normally just follow people for the sake of following them, but yeah, send through your channel, what platform, and I can make a decision. Okay, so most of this tutorial is going to be how to run this thing locally. Now, you don't need to run it locally. You can do this all online without downloading anything on Replicate using the face-to-many package. Yeah, you can just do it here. They also have an API. But the thing to do this, you actually have to set up your billing. I don't know how much it costs. I think Replicate's pricing kind of fluctuates. But you can make clay, PS2, and a whole bunch of different types. Yo, SEO Pro, thanks for the following, SEO Pro, of images just online using Replicate. So I'm going to put that down. And by the way, while I'm doing this, I'm going to be making a kind of step-by-step tutorial on my GitHub, like a README. And you also need a file from my README as well later on. So yeah. So I'm gonna say, if you just want the results without installing anything, use the replicate. Sorry, whoever just followed, I missed that. Use the replicate. Mimon, thanks for the follow. Use the replicate link here. Amine says, what's the name of this AI? So this is pretty much like a stable diffusion, which is fine-tuned and like a whole complex setup. We're going to be using comfyui, is like a user interface for tuning, well, not tuning, but like configuring image generation models. I guess it might not even be stable diffusion, but it's probably sourced from it. Joan, thanks for subscribing. Toprak says, is there an AI tool for putting two people together? For example, I want my face and my anime wife together. Ooh, good question. There are face swapping ones, so if you have two people together, you can swap their faces. Farid, thanks for following. But I'm not sure about like adding a whole person to another image. Yeah. Give me one sec, guys. I have this light that I want to use. I don't know where I put it. Where could I have put that thing? Who we got? I'm just singing the. Thanks for subbing. All right, screw it. We're just gonna be like this. Okay, so that's kind of, if you just want the results, use the replicate link. Lucas, thanks for the sub. You have to set up billing to run locally. Alright, this is Markdown. I'm not the best at Markdown. I think we do one hashtag and then we get a title. Yes, to run locally. Maybe we just like, if you just want results without installing, use this link. Here, to run locally. Okay, to run locally. Step 1. We're going to be using this tool called Pinokio. Pinokio. And you can get that at pinokio.computer. How do we do links in Markdown? I think it's like this. Let's see. Yes, download Pinokio. Install Pinokio. So Pinokio is really cool. Let's open it up, guys. I think I have it already open, probably. Toprak says stable diffusion in painting. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, here. This is Pinokio. When you open it, you have a bunch of different, well, you'll probably have nothing here. Hold on, let me get my zoom working, because I know people on TikTok are like squinting, like, what are you showing? I can't see shit. If you're on TikTok, you'll get a better experience on YouTube, but I'll still be zooming for you to make it easier. So I have two kind of projects here. comfyui, this is the one we're going to be using. But essentially, you can browse a whole bunch of AI projects with the Discover tab. Sorry, I kind of went that too quick. There's this Discover button. If you click the Discover button, you can see a whole bunch of AI projects you can download and run locally. Now, the great thing about Pinokio is you can do one-click installations. Normally, you'd have to learn Python, pip install, all this stuff to run these. But with Pinokio, you can do one-click installations, which is super nice. Derek says, what model do you recommend for coding instructions? I have a video on that, Derek, on my TikTok like 3 videos ago. I go through some of the best coding models locally. But actually, if you want to use best model in general, GPT-4 or Claude 3 is the best. Interesting Things Guy says, what's this called? This is called Pinokio. Pinokio. It's a one-click install for running like AI kind of projects. Anyway, the one we want is called comfyui. UI. This one, comfyui. So we're gonna say, can we do, I don't know if we can do screenshots in Markdown. Let's see, copy, paste. Oh, you can. 3, click the discover button in Pinokio. Run Pinokio and click the discover button. Let's have a look at the preview. It'd be nice if we had both the preview and the edit. That's fine. Discover button, okay. 4. Now we want to search for comfyui. Samuel, you're my role. Oh, that's so nice of you, Sam. Okay, so comfyui. I guess we could just do this. Oh, it shows all of them, but we just want that one. Search for search for comfyui. Okay, so then we click on comfyui and download it. And download. Yo, God, thanks for the follow. And download it. Okay, after you download comfyui, you'll see it here, and it'll say install. Now, because I've already installed this, I don't get the message, but we can download something else. Yo, Lobe Chat. Yeah, let's download Lobe Chat. No, actually. I don't know. What do we want? Text-based audio editing. That's pretty cool. There's so many cool AI projects, guys. Like, there's so many. We won't have time to. Face Fusion, there's a face swapper. Also, it's hard to tell which of these is able to run on my PC because I have a 2080 Ti, but comfyui works pretty well. I think comfyui could even work on like the 10 series, like 1080 Ti's and stuff. Interesting guy says, oh sorry, Buck says, is there any AI that can clone a web page? Not perfectly, but yeah, GPT-4 Vision, you can post a screenshot and tell it to write the code. I run some LLMs that use GPT-4all. What are the advantages of these models? Which models? GPT-4all, in my opinion, is kind of outdated. I use like I'd recommend either using Ollama or LM Studio. Ooh, instantly clone any voice from any text to any speech in any language. Let's try this. This one seems pretty cool. Okay, so after you download a package, it will install. Here we go. It'll tell you to install. So I'll just say click on install. Click after downloaded, click install. Kind of something like that. Let's have a preview. Oh man, this is too big. Is there a way to make things smaller? Oh. This is GitHub make image smaller. Toprak says, for example, can we use control net, I assume, pose 1 to put me and my anime wife in a hugging position? Do I need to train a model of my pictures to do that, or will it just work? I'm not sure. This is literally my first time running like comfyui and stuff, and like control net and all that. That makes sense to me. I feel like it would work, but yeah, like honestly, Toprak, I don't have the best advice for it at the moment. Eleanor, thanks for the follow. Interesting guy says, does LM Studio have API support for Python or other languages? Yeah, it has an inference server, so you can use it as an API. Gus says, do you have a Discord? Yes, link in bio, Gus. Image resize. How do we do image resize? Ah, here we go. Width. let's do a little width thing here. Okay, that should be better. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, let's try the equals then. Like that? Or do we need a space? That didn't work either. Space? Nope. The frick, man? Is it because it's not from a URL? Oh, you replace it like this. Okay, let's try that. Image src width equals 200, height equals 200. Did that work? Yay! Okay. That worked. Why isn't that on a new line? God damn it. What are you guys saying? Is it possible to use AI to improve the efficiency and performance of an already developed app? Yeah, definitely. You can get AI to like look over code and make suggestions. Is AI able to determine and refactor the app as far as changing the programming language for efficiency? That's probably a bit hard for it, but yeah, theoretically that could happen. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, we've installed it. After you install comfyui, oh shit, I'm installing something else. I'm installing this voice thing. We're just gonna stop that because, you know, we don't need it. Comfyui is already running, I believe. We'll just stop it. And then we'll just say start. And you just click start to run the project. Step 6, click start to run the project. Why is there all these things? Sweet. And okay. Now click step 7 after the project is run. Might need to click run as well. Aaron says, can you code on Git? And does it support Vue and Angular, Java and C? I definitely wouldn't recommend coding through Git like this if this is what you mean. Definitely use like an actual code editor like VS Code or something. But yeah, theoretically you could. I mean, it'll support whatever. I don't think it has like syntax highlighting if that's what you're after. Seto, thanks for the follow. Okay, after you run it, you can click the URL here to open the dashboard. Click the URL shown to open the UI. So after you click that, it'll open this in a web browser. And I have mine here. I've already loaded my thing, but the first time you run this, you won't have all these nodes and stuff. So what you need to do is click load. Well, first you actually need to download copy this. 8. Download the JSON file in this repository. I already have it in this repo, in the comfyui repo. I wonder if we can link it. Copy link address. Yeah, I guess that kind of works. Yo, Officer Was, thanks for the follow. I'll tell you, what's up? Long time no see. Yeah, time zone difference. He's saying hi before going to sleep. Thanks. Oh, you watch this recording is excellent. Thank you. Oh, I didn't realize we were so zoomed in. My bad, Playboy. What's up? Thanks for noticing. Okay, so after you do that, after you download the... We're just going to put this in the same thing here. And I think we can close all the other tabs. We need to click the load button. So we're going to say click the load button in the UI and load the downloaded JSON file. Okay? Now, this is the tricky part. After that happens, there's so many things that are missing. So you have to download a bunch of like nodes that aren't there. MMA says, yo, what are you doing? So I'm trying to show how to run comfyui locally so we can do this kind of images. Image to image, normal image to PS2 style image. And this is all run locally. You can put any model you want and turn any image into a PS2 style image. Do I code Flutter apps? Not really. Fly Symbol, what's up? Thanks for the follow. Give me one sec, guys. I'm just gonna reply to this message. Okay. Yeah, so once you load this JSON file, there'll be a bunch of missing nodes. So you'll need to click the manager button and kind of install these missing nodes. So click the manager button in the UI, and we'll just do that first. And then after you click that, you click install missing custom nodes. Click install missing custom nodes. Looks sick. Yo, Mar, what's up? Thanks. That should install the custom nodes. Now there's still going to be some models that we need to install. So one of them, I think ipadapter.bin is there. IP add adapter. Oh. So you search instant ID. Yo, Nublan, thanks for the follow. Okay, yeah. Let me make this smaller so I can get a better screenshot. Oh, and there's also Antelope. There's actually so much shit that we need to install here, which is a bit interesting. Hold on. Did I press and then 12? After that's done, click install models, and then search instant ID and install. Fuck, what was that called again? Nubian Goat, yo, what's good? Install ipadapter.bin. Install IP. No. Adapter.bin. Okay. Almost there. There's still like a few more things we need to install. Okay, so there's still a missing this instant ID control net dot save sensors, instant ID control net save tensors. We want to download this as well. Where is it? Files, control net model, this. Can I copy this link address? Yes, I think that'll start downloading, yeah? Oh, no, stop it. Okay, yeah, but it will work. 13, download instant ID control net model from here. And then place the model, the file from 13 in. Yo, Cardi B and Pat, thanks for following and sharing. Toprak says, imagine Google Gemini writing a step-by-step tutorial just by watching me. That's actually a really cool idea and is definitely possible. Okay, so this bit is kind of tricky. It's like finding where to put the files. So if I open Pinokio, comfyui, I can click this files button, view folder. Yes, okay. So it's pretty much gonna be something like app models. Yes, here. Instant ID, no, control net. Yeah, here. Place the file in your folder like this, in your control net folder like this. So instead of AJ, you might have your name, your username, and then we'll do a little tip. You can find the files folder from Pinokio by clicking the files button. We'll take a little screenshot of that as well. Okay, copy that and paste that here. Alright, so that's one of the files. There's still one more file we need. Is this some kind of automation, says Cardi B? No, this is like, okay, so there's this thing called comfyui, which is this. It's like a user interface where you can change all these parameters, which change how you generate an image. It's like an image generation configuration user interface. And I'm just setting it up so we can do image to image, normal image to PS2 image. And I'm writing a tutorial, which the link is in the description of this video on YouTube, and it'll be on my GitHub, and we're almost done. There's like one more thing we need to download for this to work, and that, oh no, so there is two more things. I forgot the second one. No, three more. Oh my god, there's so many things. Aldebo base XL. Aldebo base XL. No, actually it's not that one. Wait, is it? Yeah, Aldebo base XL v13 safe tensors. Should be on Hugging Face. Wait, what the hell? Or maybe it was, maybe I didn't get it on Hugging Face. Hold on, let me figure out where I got this file from, because I kind of forgot. Models, checkpoints. Yeah, no, actually it is this. I googled it and I found it here. Frank Joshua. Yeah, this is it. Download Aldebo base XL from here. Place the file from 15 in your checkpoints. Yo, Daniel, thanks for the follow. Monjis, hey, what's up? Checkpoints folder like this. your username. Okay. Whew. I'm Cardi B says, no way, you make text to image, so what's the pricing? This is local, so that's the great thing. This is all running on my local machine, so it's completely free. I mean, I just pay for electricity, I guess. All right, 2 more things to install. One of them is this thing called a LoRa. LoRa is a low rank adapter. It's pretty much like the fine-tuned difference parameters for a specific model without having to download the whole model. You just download the fine-tune. And this one's specifically for PS1 graphics. PS1 Redmond. So let me try find that. Yeah, this one. Download this. Download PS1 LoRa from here. Place the file from step 16 in your LoRa folder. Let me find that LoRa folder here. LoRa's your username. Okay. Mar says, how much storage does it take up on average with all the models? That's a good question. Let's have a look. So this LoRa is really small. It's only like 170 megs, but these checkpoints are pretty big. So our double base is 6 gigabytes. You don't need the SDXL for this, but those are like 5 and 6 gigabytes. But they come with Pinokio, so that's like 11 gigabytes plus 6, 17. And then that ControlNet one is 2, so around 20 gigs, I'd say. Monji says, are you a developer? Yes. Okay, okay, there's one more file, and that was there's like a zip file that we need. What was the code? Antelope v2. Now I don't know exactly where. I think I put a note down somewhere here. Oh yes, here. Download. Wait. This is where I found it. I had to like search the internet for this file. Here. Download and extract Antelope v2 from here. Place, what's the folder called once you extract it? Antelope v2. Place extracted Antelope v2 folder in where did that go? VAE? Nope. Can't remember exactly where I put it. ControlNet, embeddings, Insight Face, models? Yes, Insight Face models. Your username. Oh, and we're finally done. That's it. I think that's all we need. Commit. So now we can have the fun part where we actually play around with this. If anyone wants me to do any of their pictures, post them in the Discord. Post your pictures in my Discord, links in bio, and we'll run them. I'll give you 5 to 10 minutes to do that. Marcus, thanks for the follow. Toprak says, I guess in the future we have a very strong coding AI, like 100 trillion parameters. Yeah, it would just write open source modules for every kind of task to GitHub. Yes, can't wait for that. Smaller models like clickless. Yes. Am I running Windows 10 or 11? I think this is 10. Monji says, do you advise me to learn AI? Yes, I definitely do. AI is the future. If you're not learning it, you're missing out. You don't have to learn like the technicalities, just learn how to use them, what tools are available. Alright, if you guys aren't finding any photos, I'm going to try to find some photos of myself. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Otherwise, I'm waiting on Discord for anyone to post photos. needs a face. Selfies work best. Oh, here. I have this photo of me eating a rock melon. Let's do that. Save. Boom. Upload. Now I've never tried to run this while I'm streaming, so apologies if I start lagging, but let's see how it goes. We'll bring up Task Manager as well. Let's see how much GPU. 85% GPU. 100% CPU. Can I send my photo? Yeah, Monji, send it in my Discord. The link should be in my bio. Let me check. Is my link in the Kick bio? Kick.com/techfriend. Yeah, yes, Discord. Join the Discord. Send it through my G. Okay, we're definitely lagging. But it shouldn't lag for too long. No, don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. No. Did we crash? We didn't crash. Taronga, thank you for the follow. Okay, we've definitely maxed out my GPU. Apologies. Are we good? No, we're still lagging. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, apologies. Okay, so it definitely does lag and freeze me if I'm streaming at the same time. Oh, it didn't even work. Maybe it's not finished yet. I wonder if I can limit the... apologies, everyone. I need to figure out a way to limit the processing power so I don't break the stream. I'm gonna let it try finish. I don't know if it's gonna do that. Or I can end this. This is okay. I'm gonna have to quit this, I think. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Okay. Very, very not good. Oh no. This has happened before. Alright, no, we're still living. Still living barely. Just bear with me, guys. Oh boy. I need a way to kill these processes. Oh boy. This is... Oh my god. Computer struggling. Alright, this is no good. I need a separate streaming computer. This is very bad. Oh man. We close. Fuck, bro. Shit, I had an opportunity to stop it, but I need like a hardware button to like kill processes. This is not great. No. Bro, FML. Ooh. We're recovering. We're slowly recovering. Can you guys still hear me? I know YouTube is. Okay, Chrome is dead. Okay. It's recovering. It's doing stuff. I just need to close one process. Yo, we got the Turkish family in the chat. Okay, nice. I managed to press close all windows on Puppet. Okay. Oh, I think we've recovered. Can you guys hear me on TikTok? Are we good? I think we're good. Okay, levels are back. No, it still says 100%. What's using GPU? OBS. OBS? No. No, surely. Surely not OBS. Surely not OBS at 100%. Okay, good. 20%. Okay. Okay, the video encode, that's fine. Mohammed, thank you. Alright, so we're back. Now the cool thing about Pinocchio is I think... Oh, nice, we got people sending in pictures. Ooh, I don't know. I've never tried to upload an anime picture. We're gonna run Pinocchio again, and this time I'm going to try run it on like slow mode. There's like a CPU mode. There's like a CPU mode. Oh, it's still lagging on YouTube. OBS. Why am I still lagging on YouTube, bro? No, this is not good. This is not good. I might need to like restart. There's some residual. Oh no. This isn't lagging. This is good. Hello. Okay, I think we've recovered. I think we've recovered. Yeah. We're a bit delayed though, but yeah, separate GPU for streaming, yes. Limit GPU cores, yes, also. So I'm pretty sure it all happens through Pinokio. So I think there's a way we can, I don't know if we limit it through here. So we do all of these. Set priority, set. How to limit GPU of a process. Third-party tools. What about Windows? Is there a way? On Vista. Monitor. Do this remotely. I think there might be a way on. So you can do start CPU mode. I kind of want to try that. Let's try CPU mode. Oh yeah, okay. So this is the installation. That's fine. For some reason I've had to write. Okay, let me. What happened to my README? No, don't tell me the README's gone. Okay, no, it's good. It's here. Where's the install? You might need to install a few times for some reason. I had to install like 3 times. I don't know why. It just didn't install properly. Okay. What a beautiful tutorial. And then also like some people in the face to many what was it, GitHub face to many here. They probably want to see how I did it. What's this? Did someone post an example? Okay, now we're running in CPU mode. So I'm gonna try one of my Discord users' pictures. We'll try just the normal image. Shouts out to Monji. And then I don't know if it'll work with the anime image, but we can do that afterwards. Alright, I've uploaded their normal image. I wonder if there's any way we can limit the... Oh, here? I previously had it on CUDA, but now we're just doing CPU. So hopefully if I just do CPU, it won't lag. Moment of truth. Apologies if my computer lags again, but you know, this is for science. Ahmad, thank you for the follow. Alright, we're queuing it. And you get to see when the green is, like, when the nodes are surrounded by green, that means it's doing that node. Eros asks, what's this called? This is called comfyui. It's a user interface for configuring workflows for image generation. Local AI image generation. What we're doing is we're going to be taking this image and we're turning it into a PS2 version, a PlayStation 2 version. Not only does it take an image, but it also takes prompts. So I've just had PS2 graphics, video game, and then negative prompts like photo, photograph, ugly, broken. So yeah, we're about to find out how our friend looks in PS2 graphics. And it's not lagging at all yet, but actually we're not reached the crux. When it reaches this node, this is where it would lag, but we'll see. We'll see if it still lags. Where's the task manager? Let's see. Okay, we're at 100% CPU and we're not lagging. That's good. GPU is 55%. That's fine. Okay, that's good. Tien says people normally use Stable Diffusion Web UI. For more advanced, use comfyui. Yes, great tip, Tien. Toprak says to limit VRAM usage in comfyui, you can use the low VRAM option. Oh, I didn't know that. Where is that? Is that in one of the nodes, or you got to make your own node and then limit the VRAM? Yeah, so I've only installed comfyui for the first time yesterday, so this is my first time using it. I'm learning a lot. Yeah, super exciting, interesting times. Okay, so now it's getting to the main part of the script, and before it showed like a progress bar. Now I don't know, maybe it hasn't started yet, or we don't get a progress bar on CPU. I don't know, we'll see. Also, it might be super slow with CPU, so we'll just let this run and I'll just answer some questions. Skidmore, hey, what am I doing? Setting up this workflow to turn images into PS2 graphics. I have some examples I'll show you. So actually it's on my Discord as well. So these are some of the images I created yesterday. This one's just from my display picture. You know, it's like 3D now, PS2 graphics. This one was from like a picture of me playing tennis. Let me try to find the original photo. Here. So yeah, see, this is like the original photo and then it's turned into PS2 graphics. For some reason it has a hair chest. But yeah. Low VRAM takes forever to generate an image. Yeah, well, I'm using fully GPU, so that might, fully CPU, so that might take forever. Oh, we got our first progress bar. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Probably another like 5 minutes or something. How did I learn to do this? Just by trying, trial and error, searching tutorials on the internet. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I tried to do one with me skateboarding. So this was the input image, and the output, let me find the output. And I also put, like, in the prompt, I put Tony Hawk's Pro Skater. This is the output. So you see, like, it gets the pose pretty well, the pose and the face, but the background it kind of makes up a lot. So here I'm actually coming off a quarter pipe, but here it's just, I'm kind of like in the air. But yeah, super cool stuff. CPU also takes forever, yeah. Need a stronger GPU. Yeah, it's pretty fast when I'm not streaming. But yeah, I do want to get a separate streaming kind of laptop so I can keep all my resources for just doing stuff on the main computer and then have my laptop for actually the streaming resources. That's the goal. But yeah, I don't know. We haven't found a good one. Is that Tony Hawk? Yeah, it's Tony Hawk Pro Skater. As pro tennis player. And then, yo, Nick, now that you're here, let me show you some other ones I made. I made some of my friend Brian. Over here. This is his PS2 selfie from, let me show you the original image. This was the original image. So it's pretty accurate. I really like it. You literally have a moustache on your chest. Yeah, this is a t-shirt. Oh, true. I guess that's why I converted it. Looks like a Chad. Yeah. Big Chad. And then this image is really funny. It's got the mullet. And it's kind of like, I like the background. They've like put PS2 cars and like trees. It's so good. Do one of me football version? Sure. Where can you post a image in my Discord, Nick? Right now I'm doing Monji, so if you want me to do a football one of you, we can do FIFA. We can put FIFA in the prompt. Post the input image in the chat. It needs to have your face, and hopefully if you have like a football pose as well, that'd be really good. Thanks, Nick. But yeah, we're running on CPU mode, which is pretty slow. Let me Google. Yo, Osman, thanks for the follow. Let me Google low VRAM limit GPU comfyui. Let's figure out how to do that. Yeah, I also noticed by default it only uses like 50%. I guess you can change that as well. Mod, hey, how you doing? Modify the startup file, add low VRAM. Okay, so I'm using this. This is called Pinokio, and it takes care of a lot of the CLI stuff for you. But there should be a way to kind of edit the startup file, maybe. Let's have a look. Yo, thanks for the follow, Mod. comfyui app server pi? No. I don't know what I would need to change here. Nova, what's up? We're making PS2 graphic images. I think there's a delay between TikTok stream and YouTube. Let's have a look. YouTube. Which one's further behind TikTok? It definitely messed up when I started freezing. Oh, TikTok's way ahead. Yeah, I think the YouTube messed up when I started freezing, unfortunately. Sorry about that, everyone on YouTube. I don't know if there's a way I can reset it. Let's see what Twitch is like. Is Twitch better? No, Twitch is behind as well. Kick? Kick is also behind. So everything but TikTok is behind, unfortunately. Don't know if there's much I can do about that. How to reset stream delay OBS. Nick posted some images, thanks. Here we go. Advanced stream delay enable. Okay, let's see if I can reset the stream delay. Because there shouldn't be a stream delay, but maybe if I mess with this setting, I can advanced stream delay. Okay, enable. Okay, and then settings, advanced stream delay, disable, apply. Okay, wonder if that fixes it. Let's see. Oh, I think that actually works. What? No. No. Oh, it's still so behind. Everything but TikTok is behind. It's so behind. I'm sorry, everyone. Yeah, no, I think it's an OBS issue because TikTok is fine. And they're both from the same computer. Oh, we have so many questions on YouTube. Is it possible to train an IP adapter model to do a particular style well? I think so. Honestly, I've only just been getting into the local image generation as of yesterday, so I'm still learning. Holly says IP adapter shrinks the image so the details are lost. How can IP adapter be used to detect larger sizes? Yeah, I'm not sure. Toprak's gonna go to YouTube. You can stop and reconnect. Yeah, I can, but the issue is the VOD will reset. I don't know. We could. No, it just messes up a whole lot of things, unfortunately. So we're just gonna have to deal with the delay. We could reconnect. Should I reconnect? All right, we're gonna flip a coin. Flip a coin. Okay, so heads, reconnect, tails, keep going. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna reconnect. And while I do that, I'll take advantage of being offline. We will run some of these people's images. So yeah, apologies to everyone, but I think it'll just be a better experience if I reconnect. Tien says no need to train IP adapter, just find an image reference for style and use IP adapter pre-trained model. There you go. Pro tip from Tien. Tien is the expert in image generation. Okay, before I reset, let me figure out how to do the low VRAM. So hopefully when we come back we can get a bit faster, because this is just too slow. This is way... Actually, I could just do all of them. Okay. I'm gonna do everyone's image while I reset. I think I can keep TikTok up. I'm not sure. 1, 2...